Good morning, coffee lovers, and welcome to a catch up with me. I've been off for a few weeks. I've not made any content for maybe 3 weeks now. Basically, family holiday over in Florida. It's been great, but back to reality and back to making coffee. And to be fair, while I was there, I didn't have a coffee that was good or as good as we make at home on our own machines. Maybe because the majority of the coffee offering was just from branded outlets, and obviously we prefer specialty coffee and all the great things that offers. And continuing with our Sunday morning coffee videos, so we'll be doing this every Sunday starting from this week. We're going to be covering this time the double macchiato and the latte macchiato. We're going to have a look at the differences between the two because they're quite different coffees. And we're going to be covering cappuccino, cafe latte, americano, all the really core coffee favorites that you'd expect to see. So we've already done flat white, we've already done cortado. So yeah, really focusing on that core coffee that you'd expect to get from your specialty coffee shop. And also diving into cold brew. I know it's not kind of the time of year for cold brew. We've gone past the summer, we're in the autumn. We're looking at seasonal favorites, but cold brew really a kind of a different flavor of coffee. That's really strong, low acidity, really great, easy, fast to make, really easy to make. Nice cold coffee that you can have at home at any time. You can add milk, you can add cold foam, you can add flavorings, you can do loads with it. So we're going to cover some of that too. Also, we're going to be diving in a whole separate vlog series into the seasonal coffee. So we're back again with Halloween. We're back again with Halloween frappe. We're back again with pumpkin spice. I haven't really seen anything too much new offered by the branded companies, and Costa Coffee's not brought anything brand new out. Starbucks not seen anything brand new out. Cafe Nero have not seen anything like really outstanding that can say, wow, we're going to take this product and we're going to break it down, we're going to make it ourselves. I've not seen anything really new. So really it's kind of just going over seasonal offerings from last year, and really we hope and pray that these guys bring something out for the Christmas season that's absolutely going to knock our socks off. But in terms of a sugar rush, in terms of a caffeine rush, then great, we can dive straight into that Halloween season, that autumn seasonal flavors. And then for any of you that are interested in opening a coffee shop for yourselves, anyone that's got a coffee shop business and they're really struggling to make it work, or they could really do with some help, some tweaks on their profitability, on their offering, on all sorts of things that affect that business, I'm going to make and create a whole business series on running a coffee shop. I've run coffee shops now for 10 years. I've been a store manager for Costa Coffee for a long time, not just Costa Coffee on your high street. I've run village stores, high street stores, town centre stores, airport stores, massive high volume, and I've worked within the industry for my entire life. So we're looking at since hospitality. I started from the age of 16. Possibly 15, and worked my way through up the ladder of success, if you can call it that. So I've got a lot of experience about running a business and about really delivering on that profitability. And at the end of the day, we love making coffee. We love creating that warm, welcoming environment. We love creating that quality product. But at the end of the day, it's about making a profit, paying yourself a wage, employing other people and paying them a wage as well. We don't do it for free, we're not volunteers, although we love all the elements of communication with people and satisfying that customer need. So if you're interested in watching those, please subscribe and join me on those videos. I can also run workshops as well through Fiverr if you want to see anything personalized, individual. And the other thing that I'm going to do, last but not least, is live coffee making. So starting next week, there's going to be some live sessions covering all the core basics that we produce on the Sunday morning coffee videos. So I'm going to break those down, and also going to break down frappe making as well. So we're going to really dig deep into frappe making, dig deep into espresso, and dig deep into making all those wonderful core coffees that you'd expect to see in a specialty coffee shop or in a high street branded store. We're going to make those right at home on the home coffee machine, on the Sage Barista Express. I'm going to use the Smart Grinder Pro 2. I'm going to set up both grinders so that we can create two different types of espresso, maybe a ristretto on one and maybe a double espresso on the other, and start making fantastic coffee. So if you're interested, please subscribe to my channel and join me as we go on our coffee journey. I hope you have a good day. I hope you have a great coffee, and I'll speak to you soon.